Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create Facebook group and its tutorial step by step. So just follow me out to just know how to create it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines on the top right and then head over to the group section. Tap on groups. And in here you will find a plus icon on the top right. Tap on it and this layout will arrive. From here, just go to create a group. Now here you have to name your group. Suppose I'm naming it 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose a privacy. If it's a public or private group, I'm keeping it private. Tap on create group. As you can see, the group is currently being created. And once it is created, I can invite people and you can do that too. You can also share this group by tapping share group or invite via email. So yeah, this is how you can just create a Facebook group. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.